Are you filming? Go. This is a happy birthday present from Baka y Deda. Baka y Deda. What's in there? Happy birthday, Che. Do you need some help? What is it? Tomica. Tomica traži. How do you say that word? Thomas and Percy. Baka y Deda gave you a Thomas book. Yeah. Look. Blue car. Baka y Deda.
Hey, look.
Yeah. Say thank you, Baka y Deda. Che, say thank you. Say hola. And Che, there's something else in here. Do you want to see what else is in here? Happy birthday, Che. Thomas. Is that so much fun? Say thank you, Baka y Deda. Che, look at Dad and say hola.
Hello.